True prophets of Jehovah never speak on their own authority, but rather they speak out of divine inspiration of God's direct word with heavenly given authority. And Dr. Samuel Akinburishe is undoubtedly a mouthpiece of God. During his visit in Namibia in the month of September 2019, precisely from the 24th till the 29th, him together with the congregation at Life Changer City Ministries fervently prayed and interceded for the nation of Namibia. Dr. Samuel Akinburishe prophesied and declared the outpouring of rain to eliminate drought across the nation of Namibia. Again, at the final branch in Van Rook, Dr. Samuel Akinburishe re-echoed his words of abundant rain to fall in the nation of Namibia and declaring an end to the nation's drought. These were his exact words.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Can God forgive?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Say in the name of Jesus.
In the name of Jesus.
I can say in the name of Jesus.
In the name of Jesus.
Say, oh Lord.
Oh Lord.
We brought before you.
We brought before you.
All men.
All men.
All human beings.
All human beings.
In the nation of Namibia.
In the nation of Namibia.
Forgive us all.
Forgive us all.
Our sins.
Our sins.
Come to us.
Come to us.
And heal our land.
And heal our
Open
land.
your mouth and pray unto God.
Oh Lord, my Father.
Lead. Over the nation of Namibia. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Let all the drought come to an end.
Heal the land.
In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Amen. In the name of Jesus. Amen. With faith. With one voice and one mind. We cry from this place, oh Lord.
Yes, Lord.
On behalf of the nations of Namibia. Father, will provoke heaven. Let clouds gather.
Yes, Lord.
For abundant rain. That we eliminate drought across the nation of Namibia, starting from this week, in the name of Jesus. Glory be to your name.
Amen.
Namibia, rejoice because your time has come.
Yes, Lord.
I say again to you, rejoice, your time has come.
Within a week, God fulfilled his word and honored his servant's declaration.
I stand on this altar.
Yes, Lord.
And I decree.
We receive.
The Lord will give this nation Namibia abundant rain.
Amen.
Your drought shall be ended in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
I declare ends to your drought in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
I declare let there be abundant rain.
Amen.
Let there be rain.
On Saturday, the 5th of October, heavens opened and abundant rain fell in Namibia. When the time comes, you will be given what you will say, for the words you will speak will not be yours. They will come from the Spirit of your Father speaking through you. And that is exactly what we see with the man of God, Dr. Samuel Akinburishe of Freedom for All Nations Outreach.